draw a big circle in the middle of our paper. This is the sun. Around the circle, draw wavy flames all around, like fire shining bright. Now color the big circle in orange. Then use yellow to color the flames outside. Wow, the sun is glowing so bright. To finish, add some small stars around the sun. Great job! You just drew the powerful sun that lights up our whole solar system. Let's draw a big circle. This will be our Earth. Inside the circle, make land shapes for the continents. Then, draw 2 orbits around the Earth and a small satellite with wings. Now color the oceans blue and the lands green and yellow. Color the satellite gray and red. Don't forget to make the orbits nice and clear. Perfect! Finally, add shining yellow stars all around the Earth. Our planet looks amazing from space and the satellite is flying around it. Well done, little astronaut!